So we're going to make an Italian style breakfast. Here's the ingredients. You need butter, you need a frying pan, you need bread, you cut a hole in it, and you butter the side. And what you're going to do is mix green pepper, you're going to mix cheese, egg, and a little bit of milk. And the milk will add some zest to it. So you're going to mix everything up with the spices, cheese. You're going to put it in the pan. These little pieces are going to be in the frying pan like so. There, we're going to fry them and flip it over, and voila, we should have a very interesting breakfast. So I put everything inside. You're going to butter both of these sides. The egg and everything is inside, and then when you flip it, you'll have special omelets. Wow, this is going to be a great breakfast. Okay, voila, there we are. It's flipped over, it's cooked. Usually I want it all brown, but if you want it all brown, probably you have to add flour. But I think for this turning out the way it is, it's really beautiful. You can see the ham, onions and peppers, and I've added some avocado, some tomatoes. I'm thinking it would sound pretty good. Anyway, it's really turned out to be. Let's look at it from the avocado special breakfast. You can make it home, it's quite easy. Thank you for joining me.
Nothing's wrong tonight. Let's groove with what's perfect.